Welcome to the estimation class. They estimate the cost of seat for preparing a funnel as shown in figure. Assume the wastage of metal as 10% of the seat cost and the seat is Rs 50 rupees per meter square. The funnel, the sketch is given, that is upper diameter is 10 centimeter, middle 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter upper part and lower part is 6 centimeter. Preparing the funnel, the upper and lower parts are prepared separately and then joined together. The surface area of the upper part, that is the frustum of the cone, that is S is equals to 1 by 2 into slant height into sum of circumference, that is AB into bracket AB into bracket under root of AB square plus CA square, that is 8 square plus 3 square, that is 8.54 centimeter, and sum of the circumference, that is pi d plus pi into 4, that is 43.98 centimeter. Then slant, that is the surface area of the part 1 equals to half into slant height, that is 8.54 into sum of the circumferences 43.98, 187.8 centimeter square. Then surface area of the lower part, that is the slant height, equals to AB under root of CB square plus CA square, that is 6 square plus 1 square, 6 square plus 1 square, that equals to 6.08. That is sum of circumference equals to 18.85 centimeter. Then S2 is the surface area for the lower part, that is half into slant height into sum of circumferences, that is 1 by 2, 6.08 into 18.85, that 57.3 centimeter square. The total surface area of the seat required S is equals to S1 plus S2, that is surface area of upper part plus lower part, that is 187.8 plus 57.3, that is 245.1 centimeter square. Actual area, that is the total surface area plus wastage, that is wastage will be taken as 10%, that is a 10 by 100 into 245.1, that is total seat required is 269.6 centimeter square, or you can say that 0.02969 meter square. And cost of the seat equals to 50 rupees per meter square. So the total cost of the seat is 1.35 Rs. Next same, that is the next fell, that is the same, but what happens is we are having the straight part at the bottom, that is estimate the cost of the seat metal for preparing the funnel as shown in figure, that is assume the wastage of seat is 10%, 10% of the seat, and the cost of the seat is 20 Rs 20 per meter square. All the dimensions are in mm. That is solution. The surface area of the upper part is frustum of the cone, that is S1 is equals to half into slant height into sum of circumferences. So that is the slant height AB equals to BC square plus CS square, that is 6 square plus 2 square equals to 6.324 centimeter. Then sum of the circumference, that is 100.5 centimeter. So the upper part surface area equals to half into slant height into sum of the circumferences, that is 119.2 centimeter square, or you can say 1 centimeter square. Next, that is surface area of the bottom surface, that is pi dh, that is pi into 4 into d, that is 100.5 centimeter square. And total surface area equals to S1 plus S2, that is 119.2 plus 100.5 is equals to 219.7 centimeter square, or you can say that is 219.7 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. Then cost of the seat is given per meter square, that is 20 rupees, that is Rs, that is 0.4394, and wastage is 10%, then actual cost is 1.1 into 0.439, so that will be Rs 0.483. Then cylindrical drum of size 2.75 meter height and 1.5 meter inner diameter are to be fabricated from the sheet of 5 mm thick by grooved seam on the both ends and should be closed by the sheet with a single seam joint. Determine the material cost of the sheet available at Rs 2000 per meter square, that is 2000 per meter square. Then height of the cylinder drum equals to 2.5 centimeter, and this height is joined by the seam joint on both sides. So the taking the allowance is 5t into 2, so that is 0.05 meter. Then height of the seat required equals to 2.75 plus 0.05, that is 0.05, that is 2.8 meters. Then length of the seat required equals to pi d, that is pi into 1.5, that is 4.712 meter, and you can hang the grooved joint at the both sides. So that is a 10 into 2 t into 2, that is t is 0.005 meter into 2, that is the 0.1 meter. Then length required equals to 4.712 plus 0.1, that is 4.812 meter. 81 meter. So that is the total seat required equals to area of the seat equals to h into L, that is 5.2.8 into 4.812, so that is 13.474 meter square. Then cost of the seat is 2000 rupees, means 26,948. Then area of the plate, area of the cover plates equals to 5 by 4 d square plus 10 d square into t square, that is 3.77 meter square. Then cost of the cover plate equals to 7,947. Then total cost is 34,495. So next class we can have the welding problems.